In today's video, I'll walk you through how to navigate Microsoft Teams and get the best possible meeting experience. With just a few easy adjustments, you can take full advantage of this powerful communication platform and make your virtual meetings more productive and engaging. To begin, open Microsoft Teams. Teams serves as a central workspace within Microsoft 365 where you can chat, join meetings, make calls, and collaborate with others, all in one place. Whether you're using the desktop app or the web version, make sure you're signed in so you can access your teams, channels, and scheduled meetings. Once you've joined a meeting, it's important to customize your viewing setup so you can stay focused. Meetings in Microsoft Teams aren't just about talking, they're also about clearly seeing shared content, presentations, and participants without unnecessary distractions. One simple way to improve your focus is by switching to full screen mode. While you're in the meeting, move your mouse to reveal the meeting controls and click the View option at the top of the screen. This opens several display and layout settings. From there, select More Options, which is represented by the three-dot ellipsis on the meeting toolbar. This menu gives you access to additional layout and viewing controls. In the list, click Full Screen. Your meeting will now expand to fill your entire monitor, removing extra clutter and allowing you to focus completely on the conversation or any shared screen. Full screen mode is especially helpful during presentations or screen sharing, where seeing details clearly really matters. It also minimizes distractions from other apps, notifications, or your desktop. When you're ready to return to the normal view, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard to exit full screen mode and go back to the standard meeting window. And that's it. By using the viewing options available in Microsoft Teams, you can create a cleaner, more professional, and distraction-free environment for collaborating with coworkers or classmates. Full screen mode is just one of the many tools Teams offers to help you personalize your meeting experience and boost productivity. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.